Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. I stated he wants it symmetrical. So the way I'm going to do it is the best way to clean it up. I'm going to clean up this tree. I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to look at it and see which side is worse. And they're pretty much even. I don't like this lines in here. So I'm going to use this, take that side away. I'm in the center of the page, so I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to hit P. Then I'm just going to take my virtual segment delete key and I'm going to delete this half of the tree. But make sure you get it all. And now we're going to go and clean it up. So I don't particularly like this stuff. Whoop. And this stuff. And then I'm going to clean it up past this. I'm just getting this done yet. I'm getting rid of these lines that really just kind of irritating. You know, like we could actually do that and make that all one section. But I'm going to take it, I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm going to clean up some of these leaves and I'm going to make them look, to me, a little bit more like a tree. And since he wants it symmetrical, this is the best way to do it. And I'm just taking the virtual segment. I don't know why that happened sometime, and now watch, it wouldn't do it. I must have hit an artery. But you want to make sure you get all these little nuances. And that's kind of part of the reasons it's messed up. And also, while we're here, we're going to add a little stem to this other leaf that we're coming up on right here. I'm going to take my shape tool. I'm going to grab, okay, it's a group. Whenever you can't grab it with a shape tool, it's because it's a group. Ungroup it, grab your shape tool, and let's just grab that. I don't want this limb to be too much thicker. But here in just a second, we're going to, see, that's how I want every leaf to look. But we're going to have to work on this first. Because once we do this, I'm going to be able to, and I kind of want all the leaves touching. So let's just take this smoothing or the shape tool and let's just make a couple of nodes, like 3 nodes, and then go right there. And see, that's what I did. I just joined that. And we're going to clean all that up in just a second. But I want to get all the leaves connected and clean. So like right there, I'm going to go ahead and take that away. That doesn't look too bad. And, you know, you don't have to, you know, you could move the leaf here too. You don't have to make it, they all don't have to have stems on them. I would probably put a stem on this one. I'm actually going to rotate this one a little bit. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to take the shape tool, add a node, move over, add a node, and then you can take that center node. And it would be better if that was maybe like that, maybe even over there. Because we're going to clean all that stuff up. Okay. I'll soon know whether I have, I'm not going to worry about these 3 yet. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in. Okay, there's two that I don't have connected. I want them all connected to do what I'm going to do. And this is kind of a weird leaf, but I'm trying to keep this circle shape. So we might, and see that's broken up where I cut it. You know, and you could also take your 3-point curve line and do this. And then just take your, because now when we smart fill this, it's going to connect all those, and then we're going to nudge that away and nudge it back. I think we got it all. Now I'm going to take my smart fill tool. I'm not going to worry about these loose ones yet. See how much better that looks already? Now I'm going to actually nudge it up and over. I'm going to left click, right click, And I'm going to go after some of these leaves that just don't look very good. I'm going to go ahead and use the smoothing tool. Set on, let's see how big it is. Oh, wow. My tree must be really little. Let's go 0.2. And see how I'm just making that look more like a branch? You know, it doesn't have, branches aren't particularly square. And see, that is a bad one. Anyway, the gentleman didn't really ask me for this, but if you're gonna do something, take a little effort and make it. Be proud of yourself. Be proud of your work. You know, I never let anything leave my shop if I'm not happy with it. I mean, I'm not gonna like, well, that'll do. No, it won't do. If you're not happy with it, and stuff, you know, stuff the customer, you know, like sanding. I do a lot of woodworking and sanding. If you're not happy with it, the sanding, you know, well, I take that. I've been doing woodworking so long that I can see sanding marks that most people can't see. And, you know, the human eye can see sand grits after 400 grit, they can't really see any marks. All right, that's pretty good. I'm going to call that good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace, and remember, okay, this is a good trick. Since we've nudged, we can go right here. Now I do have a center line already there because we smart filled it. So I really don't need this line. But now I'm going to take a Control D. Oh, you know what? I left out those two leaves though doing that. So let's move this. Let's take, well, how am I going to do it? Okay, move this leaf. Let me just get rid of this. This is this copy of it. Let's take that half and put it there. Take that half and put it there. And I'm evidently, I did not get this leaf. So what you can do, take the Smart Fill tool, get that leaf and put it over there, and then get this half, because those halves are going to make whole when we put them together. But then I'm going to left click, right click. This is taking a lot longer than I'd planned on. We'll actually you should really smart fill it again, but I'm trying to save time on the video because you don't want the joints to be bad. So now we can put in that line. And because we're nudging the whole time, we can do that right there. Well, we probably don't even need the line. I'm going to go ahead and group this together, Control G, Control D to duplicate, and get the two-sided arrow and go right there. Take our line away. And since that line was already there, I should have removed it. We can take the virtual segment delete key. Whoop. It's actually, I'll tell you what, let's back up, do it the right way. Before I had the line there, we created that line when we were, when I smart filled it. It made that line. So I'm going to grab the shape tool. I'm going to right click that node and break it apart. Go all the way down here. I only have to do the line that we've created, break it apart. Then I can take my virtual segment delete key and delete that. Now I really don't even need this line. You know what? I did a no-no though. I should not move it. I should nudge it just in case it doesn't work. So I'm going to Control G to group it again, Control D to duplicate it, and move it over here. Now some of the joints might not fit, but I think they did. But as always, I'm going to take a rectangle in case it leaks. And I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and fill in my tree. And I've got a leak, a major leak. So there's only really two places it could leak. Where we put the tree together, and I don't see it. I mean, that would have been in the center of the page, or right here. There it is. See, I must have just cut that line so now it's a group. So let's go ungroup it. Okay, we got to select it first. Object, group, and okay, maybe I sure I select it with the pick tool. Group, ungroup it. And I think I'm gonna have to do the same on this. Group, ungroup, and all I have to do is that one line. I just wasn't quite, so I'm just gonna bring these down until they meet. A lot of times Corel do that if you click on that notice thinking you're wanting to delete it. Now I still got my rectangle. Cross your fingers. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to nudge that, and then I'm going to get the other 3 leaves and nudge them. That's what the guy wanted, or the person. I'm going to quit saying gender because I always mess up. There is a symmetrical, a lot better looking. Let's compare it to the first one I did in size. You can't, without really looking close, but you know, best garbage compared to this cleanness. Well, right there, I would change that. I would change a little bit more, but we're good to go. Sorry it took so long. Hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.